Hi friends, today I'm back with a recipe from Rajasthan. It is called Bajre ki Raab. It's a porridge made from pearl millet flour. This is mostly popular in the desert region, especially in summer when there is no vegetation. People survive on this or sun-dried vegetables. Now this Raab is taken as a porridge, or they dip their rotis also in this and eat. In summer they take it cold, and in winters it is served hot, so which keeps them warm in winters. So let's not waste any time. Should we go and make this bajre ki raab? It's very easy recipe. To make the raab, we'll require about half cup yogurt, 2 tablespoons of bajra flour or pearl millet flour, salt to taste, 1/8 teaspoon of carom seeds, 1/8 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and a little roasted cumin powder to sprinkle on top. First we are going to blend all the ingredients. Take the yogurt, which is half cup, and 2 tablespoons of bajra flour. Add the salt to taste, and then we add the cumin seeds and the carom seeds, Ajwain. Add 2 cups of water. Whisk them well until they are blended properly. Now the mixing is done. We are going to start the cooking process. Place a pan on the gas and transfer the mixture into it. Now this is done. Keep the flame on medium and stir it with a spatula. This is really a very healthy porridge, and sometimes maybe for variation you can even use jowar flour or even amaranth flour. All these flours are really very healthy, but in Rajasthan this one is popular, the one with pearl millet flour. So now the raab is beginning to boil, you can see. It requires continuous stirring. From time to time you have to keep stirring it, otherwise the flour settles down at the bottom. Once it starts to bubble, you reduce the flame to low, and now we are going to simmer it, stirring in between occasionally. After about 4 to 5 minutes, you will see it has thickened, but we need to cook it for at least 7 to 8 minutes. So once it thickens, you can add little more water. I'm adding half a cup, and again allow it to simmer. You can check the salt and add if needed. This porridge doesn't require any oil. Now you can see after 7-8 minutes of cooking, it's thickened and we have the correct consistency. We can pour it into a serving cup or a glass now. Sprinkle a little roasted cumin powder on top and serve it. Raab is ready. In Rajasthan, they pair it with khoba roti. This is Rajasthani khoba roti. Friends, do subscribe the channel if you have not done so, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications. Do check out these videos also in case you have missed them out. Thank you.